Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Transitions menu. Let's begin. There are 3 sections. First section is Preview. Second section is Transition to the slide. And third section is Timing. Let's begin with first section. That is Preview. We can see preview of transition applied. Next section is Transition to the slide. Under Transitions, we can apply subtle transition, exciting transition, and dynamic content transition. Under Effect Options, we can get different effect options based on transition selected. Next section is Timing. We can apply sound during transition, set transition duration. We can apply current slide transition to all slides using Apply to All button. We can advance slide on mouse click or after time specified. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.